Ryan Gass here, PTPGun.com, firearms training, and today I'm going to be showing you my EDC ankle medical kit from Warrior Poet Society. All right, so when you look in here at the EDC medical ankle kit, right, you'll see that it has a lot of things that are held inside of here. Most notably, you'll see sticking out is the combat trauma shears, right? Right here from American Rescue, North American Rescue. I'm gonna set that to the side. You also have the NAR compressed gauze, all right? It's in the same pocket. And then in this pocket, you'll see where we have the emergency trauma dressing, right? Take that out, set it to the side. You have the nasal airway, as well as the lubricating jelly with that as well. In that same pocket, we also have a set of a little bit of gloves in case you're dealing with any type of bodily fluids. Right? You might want to need to have gloves on, obviously. We also, in this last pocket, we have another cat tourniquet. And something I've added that didn't come with it, and I have a little Streamlight flashlight, right? This is something that you've seen in some of our past videos. This is the Microstream, but it's something I just added in myself. Did not come with the actual kit. And then again, we have the actual ankle holster itself, right? Now with this, the inner mesh, all right, the lining of that is actually breathable and it's antimicrobial. It's gonna be a lot more comfortable on your body, but I will say with this even being said though, obviously when I'm wearing this, I'm gonna be wearing pants, not shorts. And when I do that, I like to wear taller socks that come up above the height of where the ankle holster is itself. That kind of allows a little bit of cushion as well too, makes it even more comfortable for you as well. Now, again, this is distributed by Warrior Poet Society, but this is actually made by Blue Alpha. But again, it is how it affixes to your leg is it's held on by this Velcro, all right? And allows it so it can be for smaller, ankles or even larger ones. Mine tends to be somewhere in the middle. But when you affix it to your body, you want to make sure it's nice and firm on there, all right? So what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to go ahead and put this gear back in here as I found it, all right? And I'm going to show you how I put it on my ankle. So when I put the ankle holster on, right, I'm wearing tall socks. I try to wear socks that are at least taller than the ankle holster itself is going to be, although these are obviously a lot taller. That's not really necessary. But what we want to do is I bring it like this, right, and it's I do it right above my boot, all right, because it is what it is. Your calves are bigger than your ankle, so it's going to slide down. If I put it up here, all right, it's going to slide down. So what I do is I already have it all the way down, all right. And then I hold that nice and firm and I bring this over nice and tight, pretty much as tight as I can generally make it. All right, and then from there, all right, these pants, they have a little bit of stretch to them, not much. But what I do again, is I bring that up and over, all right, and I pull all the slack over top of it, all right. Now I will say, as you're looking at right here, it does appear to be bulky. It does look like it's really obvious. But when I'm out walking around, if I'm doing whatever I'm doing, people don't notice, all right? People don't walk around looking at other people's ankles for the most part. And if they do, they don't really question what that is. So I've never had anyone just freely notice that it's there and ask me about it. And or I haven't noticed anybody notice it and kind of staring at it. Again, most people are not looking at your ankle. With these pants, they are relatively form-fitting, let's put it that way. They're not, skinny jeans, but they're definitely not the baggy jeans that I wore back in middle school, back in the 90s. So, with a larger pant leg, it'll be more discreet and more concealed. But again, having someone notice that's there is not a problem. Most people are not going to notice it in the first place. So, I will say, too, I've been using this now. I've been carrying it every day, I'd say for about 3 to 4 weeks now. And it's just a part of my EDC now, all right? I grab my wallet, I grab my keys, I grab my gun, I grab my flashlight, I grab my ankle holster, put it on when I put my shoes on, and I go about my day. And I oftentimes forget it's there, which is not a problem. There's no environments I go into where I can't have that. I will say that if you're going to travel, you won't be able to have the trauma shears with you. You have to put that in your check baggage if you're going to do that. But other than that, there's nowhere where I go, at least on the usual, that I can't wear this to. So it's just become a part of my everyday concealed carry, which we're going to do another video, updated video on my EDC, because it has changed a little bit since the last time we made a video of it last year. But this has become a part of that, and it's going to stay a part of that. Now, the downsides of it, right? I can't wear them with shorts. Let's be realistic. But I will say I haven't had to go to that bridge yet to cross it. It's February now, so I've only been wearing it during January and February. But there will be time of the year where I'm going to be more likely to wear shorts. I don't wear shorts a ton. I wear a lot of pants anyway, so this won't be a big problem. But when it comes to the time where I'm going to decide to wear shorts, obviously I got to find a different way to be able to have this gear on me, but not on my ankle in that manner. So it's something I'm going to have to deal with later. But if you're looking at being prepared for anything, it's not a bad idea to look into having this type of gear on you in this way. As I've told people in the past, at my classes, yes, it's a great idea to carry a firearm if you can. For those that want to wear a firearm, it's a great thing to wear a firearm. But if you're going to wear a firearm, it's not a bad idea. It's a good idea to have a tourniquet on you. I've never had to, shoot someone with my firearm. I never had to dish my firearm at another human being. I have had to use a tourniquet on an individual who he himself had been shot. And I didn't have a tourniquet. And I did have to improvise, and it did work out. I used the gentleman's belt and my baton to be able to crank down and secure that bleeding. But if I could go back, I wish I would have had a tourniquet on me. Improvising is great if that's what you have to do. But imagine where you didn't have to improvise. Imagine having a tourniquet on you. Imagine having this, having that, and being prepared for a situation. Something to think about, not for everybody, but I would highly encourage it. Now, the ankle medical kit that I have here, I bought it through Warrior Poet Society. Again, it's developed by Blue Alpha, but I bought mine through Warrior Poet Society. It did come with all the gear that I have. You can buy just the ankle holster itself. I believe the ankle holster itself is, I think, $67, or you buy the entire kit ready to go, it was $127. Hey, there are cheaper options out there, but if you're going to, I've come to the mindset that you buy once, cry once. You buy the good gear, the right gear, the comfortable gear the first time, and you don't have to waste more money in the long run. So could I have spent less money and gotten another ankle kit? I absolutely could have. But I decided that I wanted to have this good quality gear, and I'm happy with my decision. I think that if I needed to in the future, I would buy another one. But I don't foresee that happening anytime soon. It's been holding up really well. It's very well made and constructed. So for a link to this product, I'm going to put it in the description below so you can find that quickly and easily and order yourself a ankle medical kit as well. Thank you all again for tuning in this video. If you have this kit, or if you have another kit like it, I want to hear from you. Put it in the comments below. Let me know. Do you have this? What have you liked? What have you not liked? I know a lot more people out there have more experience with this kit than I do. So you might have found things to adapt and make that kit better. You may have found that it is perfect as it is. You may have found a whole different kit that you think works even better and is even cheaper or more affordable. But I want to hear from you. Put those in the comments below. Also, we're going to have more videos on this product and other similar products. So if you haven't done so already, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Also hit the notifications bell to let yourself know whenever any new videos come from our channel. Thank you all again as always, and remember to train, defend, prevail.